Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, one more day of construction passed, and yesterday was a major day. Many things have happened. I'll show you by sequence what other things happened. The very first thing was the upgrade of electric panel. So from 100 amperes to 200 amperes, it has been upgraded. You can see the reading here, 200. This was very important because now I'm gonna run two laundries in home, and lot of appliances have been applied, heavy appliances have been applied in basement too. So definitely we need additional um, electric capacity. So this was brought in yesterday. Okay, and so how it worked: morning 9 a.m. my electricity was cut, the city staff were here, then they removed the wire, and then meter was disconnected, electric meter outside, and then the electrician, he had to change the panel, new panel, and many other things he had to do. Like, he was very busy yesterday, whole day he worked till 7 p.m. Like by 3 p.m. the power had to be restored. So because by 3 p.m. he had to upgrade the panel because the power was scheduled to be restored, and it was done. Okay, and then again after finishing that, he had to do some work upstairs. Like he had to pass the electric line for the dryer, heavy electric line, so that he did. Okay, so this panel upgrade, now what is happening after this panel upgrade, all these sockets that you see, they have the power. Right now you see this dryer is running, sorry, this washer is running, it is running through this. I am not using this extended cable running through the panel. More things you want to see here. You see these new tiles were applied yesterday. Three new sockets, this were also applied yesterday. You see my range hood, this is now active. This electric range is active, and it really works. Like right now I turned it on, you will see this. See, I'll turn it off. So it is working, all four of them. Okay, now good. Refrigerator, they have not yet connected the power, but definitely they will do, because Tuesday is gonna be the final inspection, and that they will definitely do. These things are done. Another thing that they will do Tuesday is, like, they will connect this dryer vent to here, so that the exhaust air gets in here. Okay, kitchen faucet, it's working fine, all things are in its place. And yeah, other things have been fixed over here. Railing team did change the height of the hand railing as per the instructions by the officer, but it seems still again they have done some mistake, so they will come back. Okay, upstairs they did some break fix, like some of the damages that were done before, they have fixed those, and remaining tasks will be done on Monday. They have said they will come on Monday and do, and then Tuesday is going to be final inspection. So if you see from here, like, I know it is looking messy with that bucket, wire, ladder, and some dust, and this garbage bag. But if you see the space here, space looks nice. Like for living space, somebody has a room there, they can do, like, imagine now I can tell you that this place can be used. Means somebody, if somebody wants to live here, they have all the facilities. Of course, like, final permit is gonna be issued, and only after getting the final permit I'll put it on rent. But before that, if somebody, if let's say myself, if I want to live here, I have electricity, I have washroom access, I have laundry, I have kitchen access, I have bedroom, I have everything that I need to live here, and all things are connected. This door is gonna come, this will come on Monday or Tuesday, they have ordered for it, and once it comes they will install. That is also a remaining task. Overall, after cleaning, it would look good, no doubt, it would look excellent. All things are here. Okay, space is nice here. Now I have to do some more things about security. because what I'm gonna do, my plan is like I will call my home security consultant after all permits are issued and construction is stopped completely. I'll have motion sensor here. I will have a motion sensor at that egress window. Okay, and I'll have a camera on my backyard door because that's a shared location and I have right to install a camera over there. Of course, I have no interest in the privacy of someone else, so whoever lives here will have complete privacy. I'm not the guy who is gonna do anything. Yeah, one more major thing, guys. You see this was steel before, probably he changed the silver before, he changed it to white so that it looks decent. Let me see other. Yeah, here also he changed to white. Wow. Okay, it seems they are getting some good. I'll be honest, I have my somebody I know is an expert who is giving me regular feedbacks, and that many of them I pass to the team and get things done. So these things are also done. That's nice. I will ask one more thing, like this vent, why it is hanging like this. Probably they should do something about it so that it gets fixed here. It should not come out like that. I'll speak to them. Okay, this Tim Horton coffee shop, somebody left it who had come here. Upstairs also, as I said, lot of work was done, but I won't be able to show you because of privacy. But yes, you got the idea that what was done. So now it looks nice, decent. This is gonna be garbage. They're gonna collect more garbage and throw. Everything they have tried. Yeah, and one more thing here. If you remember, this one was not covered, but now that is covered. I don't know what's the use of this. Why they have done it like this? Not sure. This is covered. All things are covered. I have already shown you this duct fire detector. Yeah, so things are going smooth and fine. Yesterday the very troublesome time was those 6 hours when there was no electricity, but we managed somehow. And because morning we had heated to a very high temperature, so that is why we could survive. And our temperature was 28 degrees house temperature when the power was shut off, and when the power came back, because it was a sunny day, so it was in our favor too, it went down till 25 and then power came back up, so we set it at 25 and we left it over there. So that's good. Things are done now, like it is looking much more positive. Next week is probably gonna be the inspection, so that's what we are gonna do. Now why more rework is required, I'll show you over here. You see this, these two, this the first, it was here, okay, and it was going like this. The officer said he questioned about the height, and he questioned and he told us to adjust it, but it hasn't been adjusted as per the standards, because the officer had said that this end, this should meet with this. So there's a gap like this, so it has to extend this much. So the contractor has been informed and his team will come soon to get it fixed. Okay, so that is for now, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.